Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial about neon effect on CapCut. This is a result. Now, let's see how I made it. Now add the video and then click overlay and add the same video. Okay, now in the overlay, click a filters and you can choose a style and click neon. Okay, and now in the overlay video, click splice and then click filter, this one. Okay, click filter and then now back. Okay, back and then click effect. Okay, click video effect and then choose comic, and then click neon. Okay, like this. Okay, and now setting the effect until the end of the video, like this. Okay, ending video is delete. And now click object at the bottom and click overlay like this. Okay, and now click the video that has been overlaid. The next step, click the filter and style and then click line. Okay, like this. And then now click the keyframe icon in here. I will show you from the first 3 seconds until the end of the video. At the end of the keyframe, enlarge the overlay like this. Okay, finish. Now you can export the video. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy editing guys, bye bye.